rate program. My dear best friends, I hope you guys remember me. Yes or no? How many of you forgot my name? Tell me. Yeah? I only took the first class. You remember me or forgot me? You remember me, right? Okay, fine. So today again we will be continuing with the second science topic that is all about stars, planets and the moon. Okay, especially I'll be telling about the earth. Yeah, like what are the different layers of the earth. After that we will be studying about eclipse. Okay, is it fine? Okay, before starting anything, please collect your welcome coins. You guys are on time, right? A small gift from your Suru ma'am. Collect it. Ah, I know my students remember me. Thank you so much. Okay, very good. I hope you guys collected your coins. Happy now? Okay, once again, I'll give my brief introduction. Okay, so my name is Surabhi Shetty, and most of my students call me Suru ma'am. So you can also call me as Suru ma'am, your best friend, whatever you want, you can call me. So I have completed my master's in chemistry from Jain University. I have 2 years of teaching experience, so that's why you can trust me with your studies. Whatever doubts in science subjects, why to fear when Suru ma'am is here, right? You can contact me at any time. And of course, and I completely believe in fun and friendly learning. I hope we are already friends with each other. So we will learn together in a fun way. Okay? Is that fine? Once again, my introduction is done. So shall we start? Shall we start today's topic? Fine. Okay then. So when we are going on some trip or anything, okay, I told you that I'll take you to the space trip with me. Okay, just imagine you're coming to my home. Okay, you're coming to Suru ma'am's home. First you will search, right, where is Suru ma'am's home, which area. Yeah, first which place, which area, which street, which house number, which room number, everything you will search and come. Yes or no? Or else you'll directly come in and, hey ma'am, I'm your Oda class student, will I remember like that? Yeah, first you will search, then you will tell me, Suru ma'am, I'm coming to your home today. Yes or no? Whenever you go to any house, you'll do like this only, right? When you're going to your like relatives' house or anything, you'll just inform them, okay, we are coming today. Yes, like that only. We are going on a space trip today, right? We are going to our universe. First, we should know what is our universe made up of. Yes or no? First, we should know what is our universe made up of. Yes. Exactly. So I will tell you, very important, please write down the notes. Your test homework will be there. Everything will be there. So please make sure you're writing the notes. And main thing, we will be having science award competition also. For that, at least you should make the notes. Okay. So we are going to universe. So universe is made up of planets. First thing we all learned and we danced for that song also, right? How many planets are there in our solar system? Tell me, how many planets are there? Okay, 8. Exactly. Some of you are telling 9. No, 9. No. The correct answer is 8 planets. Okay. Some of you may be thinking Pluto is also the planet. Definitely no. Pluto is not considered as planet because it is considered as dwarf planet. Okay. It is considered as dwarf planet. That means Chotusa planet. Pluto was very small when compared to other 8 planets. So they have removed it from our solar system. Is it clear? Yes, before it was there, but now it is not there. First thing is planets, we are done. Second, coming to the stars. Yeah, everyone have learned this rhyme, right? Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Yes or no? Do you think, what is this? Is this a star? I drew something, right? Is this a star? Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Is this a star? Okay, everyone is saying yes only. Of course, if you ask anybody, they will say yes only. But no, star is actually not that cute and not that small. Okay, actually, the star is a big, huge fireball. Okay, now you may be thinking, right? All the rhymes which we learned, twinkle, twinkle, little star. It is not little, it is a huge fireball. Okay, star is completely made up of fire. We do have this volleyball, basketball, tennis ball, right? Star is a huge fireball. Is it clear? Star is a complete big fireball. Is it clear? Yes. And third one, coming to the galaxies. Can anyone tell me what is galaxy? Yeah. Can anyone tell me what do you mean by galaxy? Yes, Jannavi, can you tell me what is galaxy?
Ma'am, galaxy is A place where we met a black hole and Milky Way,
Milky
such
Way is
like
our.
things.
What is galaxy? Do you know?
Um, no, ma'am.
No worries, I will tell you. Arnav, do you know what is galaxy?
No, ma'am.
Don't know. Okay, are you
No.
making notes?
Yes, ma'am, I am making.
Very good. Then write it down. I will tell you. Okay. Don't get confused. Okay. Black hole, everything. Just write it down. Just imagine. Okay. Galaxy, I will tell you the short term to remember. Galaxy is nothing but the night sky. Okay. What all can you see in the night sky? If I just go outside now, I can see the night sky, right? Nice, beautiful sky. What all do you see in the night sky? Type in the chat box. What can you see in the night sky? Okay, stars, very good. Other than stars, moon, very good. Any other thing you can see other than stars and moon? Only star and moon. अरे ये क्या है? Only stars and moon? No, exactly. We can see some clouds also, right? Dust particles will be there. And of course, some planets, okay? You can see Venus planet. The shiniest thing which you can see in the night sky is the Venus planet, okay? So we can see like stars, planets, moon, dust, clouds, and gaseous particles. Is it clear? Yes? Okay, this is the third part in the universe. Coming to meteoroids. What is meteoroids? These are nothing but rocky and gaseous particle in the space. Okay, all the rock and gaseous particles which are present in the space, they are called as meteoroids. Okay, and of course there will be energy, there will be matter, everything will be there. Is it clear? So we are going on a universe trip. The universe is made up of planets, 8 planets, stars. Stars is not twinkle twinkle little star. Okay, it is a very big fireball. Can anyone tell me, even though if it is a big fireball, it looks very cute and sweet, right? Why is that? Yes, Siddhi, can you tell me?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the
Why?
stars look twinkling because of our Earth's atmosphere, and the stars appear small because stars are very far away from our Earth.
Exactly. How much far? This much far, this much far, this much far. How much?
Right, ma'am, a few light years far.
Okay, this much, right? Exactly. Yes. So stars look very cute and very small because they're very far from our Earth. Okay. If you just go near the star, you're burnt because it is a huge fireball. And then of course, galaxy. Galaxy, I told you, a night sky. You just can remember the night sky, meteoroids, and energy. Okay. So here is your first question. Bacha party, answer this question. Be energetic. Okay. What do you mean by galaxy? Okay. What do you mean by galaxy? Tell me. Very good, Bacha party. Ha, I'm so happy. Students are very active. I'm very happy. If I get good accuracy in the quiz, now Suru ma'am will be the happiest. So try to be active in the class and give right answer to all the questions. Okay? Very good. Last 10 seconds. You all know. Just 30 seconds I'll give. Very good. Very good. Very good, Bacha party. Superb. Congratulations to the students. A good start to the quiz for today. So what is the correct answer? Of course, the correct answer is option A. Huge group of stars, dust and gas bound together. Along with that, you can see some planets, you can see the moon and everything. So you can just remember night sky. Is it clear now? Yes or no? Okay, so this was all about our universe. Yeah, as I said, we have 8 planets in our solar system, and of course, our sun is our star, right? So, sun is also a huge fireball. Okay, he looks so sweet when we look at him. Okay, cute, sa chotu sa thing which gives the light, but he is also the star. He is also a huge fireball, and Milky Way is our galaxy. Everyone loves Milky Bar. Yes or no? Milky Bar chocolate. I do love, yeah. Milky Bar, Dairy Milk, Kit Kat, everything. Yes or no? All the chocolates I love. You can easily remember Milky Way by just remembering the Milky Bar chocolate. Okay? Milky Way is our galaxy ring and our solar system is present inside the Milky Way. Is it clear? Done? Okay, then let us move on. So, as I said, this is our solar system, and here is our boss, that is Sun. Sun will be in the center. Okay, Sun is like a boss and he is like in the center. I am the boss of solar system. So around the sun, who will revolve? Our planets will revolve around the sun. So if this is a sun in the center, planets will revolve around the sun like this. Okay, so now can anyone tell me, will the planets move like this, or there is a particular path? Tell me, will they move like whatever they want in any direction, or they have a particular path? Tell me. Exactly. Can you see here? This is the sun, right? You can see Mercury, Earth, Venus. All the planets have particular path. They are very decent, huh? They are very good guys. Okay. So they will move only in that path, and that path is called as orbit. Everyone know orbit chewing gum, right? Yes or no? This orbit is nothing but the path where the these planets revolve around the sun. Is it clear? Yes. Okay then. So this is our sun, huh? And what can I show? Okay, this is our planet which is revolving. If you observe around the planet also, someone will be revolving, right? Who is that? Yeah, sun is in the center. Around the sun, planet will revolve. Around the planet, who will revolve? Who will revolve around the planet? Exactly, that is the moon. You can say them as satellite. Okay, satellite. Okay, in satellite also we have two types. One is natural satellite, yeah, and one more is the artificial satellite. Natural satellite is nothing but our moon. Okay, how many moon does Earth have? How many moon you can see if you go outside and see? How many? Exactly, Earth has only one natural satellite, that is the moon. Clear? I hope it is clear. To make you more clear, watch this GIF file. Okay, here if you observe, yeah, sun is in the center. Sun is in the center. Okay, and around the sun, who is revolving? Our planets are revolving around the sun, and around the planet, yes, and around the planet, who is revolving? The moon is revolving. Is it clear? Yes or no? Tell me. Okay, now come for video conversation. Yeah, now come for video conversation. We will have some small rapid fire game, I can say. Okay. Yes, Aryan.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, Aryan. Yeah, can you tell me which is our star?
Ma'am, sun is a star.
Sun is a star. And what do you mean by galaxy?
Ma'am, galaxy is a Milky Way
Huh?
where planets, dust, and small particles are there.
Okay, very good. And how many planets are there in our solar system?
Ma'am, there are 8 planets.
Okay, which is your favorite planet among 8?
Earth.
Earth. Why Earth is your favorite? Why not others?
Because we live on Earth.
Exactly. Give me a high
Ma'am,
five. Give me a high five first.
why is the sun moving? Sun does
Sorry?
not move. Sun does not move.
There will be small movement. Okay, they are not like sun will not sit like this. Okay, there will be some movement. All the stars, all the particles in the space, they will be moving like this only. They will not sit like that, right? Some movement will be there. Okay.
But not so fast.
Sorry.
Not so fast.
See, actually, I can't show you, right? See, for see, I am showing you the planet also. Yes or no? Planet
Yes.
365 days. Now, can I show all 365 days here? No, right?
No.
This file is just for you to understand how the motion happens. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, dear, fine. Exactly. Okay. See, it is not so fast also. You all know that Earth takes 365 days. Then I should sit here 365 days to show you the movement. Definitely, it cannot happen, right? So, this is just to understand how the movement happens. I hope it is clear now. Yes. Bhavini, definitely I'll talk with you. Please wait. Okay. I'll definitely talk with everyone. No worries. Okay, then. So, here is the next question. This is an NSO question, that is National Science Olympiad question. Please answer this question. Take your time. Yeah, read all the options correctly and then answer. Okay. Which of the following is not true about solar system? Here they are asking which is not true. That means which is the wrong statement about our solar system. Tell me, which is the wrong statement? Try to answer faster. Very good. You guys are super active, yeah. Exactly. And all the particles or all the things which are present in space, they are in the course, the correct answer is option C. Moon is not considered as a part of solar system. This is a wrong statement, right? I told that sun will be in the center, and around the sun, who will be there? Our planets will be there, and around the planet, our moon will also be there, right? So moon is also the part of solar system, but this C statement is saying that moon is not the part of solar system. So this is a wrong statement. Is it clear? Yes or no? Right. So now, as I said, yeah, like as one of your friend also said, right? Aryan also said that favorite planet is Earth. Now tell me, which is your favorite planet? Which is your favorite planet among the 8 planets? Of course, everyone's is Earth only, right? Why Earth? Why Earth is considered as our favorite planet? Because life exists on only one planet, and that is our Earth, right? We are studying together. We have become friends together. All these things just happen on Earth only. Life can only exist on one planet. That is our Earth. Is it clear? And of course, it is also called as blue planet. Can anyone tell me why it is called as blue planet? Yeah, why it is called as blue planet? Who will tell me why it is called as blue planet? Yes, Shriyansh?
Yes, ma'am. Our Earth is blue planet because the Earth looks blue because the ocean looks blue.
Ocean looks blue. Then are you telling that water is blue in color?
Yes, ma'am. That's why the Earth
Yes.
looks. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then Earth is completely made up of water?
No, ma'am. 30% is land and 70% is water.
Exactly. Yes. Bhavini? Hello? Hi.
Ma'am.
What happened? Are you sick?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then talk a bit louder. I can't hear you actually.
मैम
Okay,
Ma'am,
okay.
please.
Take care. Okay.
मैम सेकंड स्लाइड दिखाना मैम मेरे नोट्स पूरे नहीं हुए थे
अच्छा, नो प्रॉब्लम. आपको ये पीडीएफ मिल जाएगा, ठीक है? आप कॉन्सेप्ट पे फोकस दो, कॉन्सेप्ट पे फोकस दो, ठीक है? बाद में लिख सकते हो. आपको पीडीएफ मिल जाएगा, ठीक है?
ओके
ठीक है बेटा. यस. ओके देन. यस. Why Earth is called as blue planet? 70% of the Earth is covered with water. Okay. So if this is the Earth, okay, just don't mind my drawing, but this is our Earth. 70% of our Earth is completely filled with water. Like it is not like fresh water. Okay. Like in ocean, beaches, lake, glaciers, ice caps, all these things. Okay. Like 70% is completely made up of water bodies. But what is the color of water? Can anyone tell me? What is the color of water? Type in the chat box faster. What is the color of water? Definitely no. You guys are giving wrong answer. Most of you are saying that the color of water is blue. Definitely no. The water doesn't have any color. Okay. If you observe this, yeah. If you observe this like pure water doesn't have any color. It is colorless. Now you may be asking, ma'am, everywhere we color water as blue, but you're telling water is colorless. But how water looks blue then? Water looks blue just because of the reflection. Okay, water looks blue just because of the reflection of sky. Sky is blue in color, right? So due to the light reflection from the sky, the water looks blue. But if anyone asks you what is the color of water, don't say blue, just say, hey, water doesn't have any color, it is colorless. Is it clear? Yes. Yes, it is clear and it is transparent, it is colorless. I hope it is clear now. So answer me this question now. Here it is. The shape of the planet Earth. Okay, I have put the GIF file also so that you will not get confused. Okay, whether the shape is cone shaped, circle shaped, that is 2D shaped, or sphere shape, that is 3D shape, or square shape? What is the shape of our favorite planet, our Mother Earth? Tell me. Tell me faster. I knew students would get confused with this. I know, because this is a Olympiad question. Such questions come in Olympiad. They will trick you. I'll tell the answer. No worries. Last 10 seconds. It's okay. Mistakes are the part of life, but you should learn from your mistakes. Okay? Very good. Congratulations to the students who gave the correct answer. What is the correct answer? Most of you said that the correct answer is circle. Definitely no. The correct answer is sphere. Okay, that's why I put that GIF file also, right? What is the difference between circle and sphere now? Circle is two-dimensional figure, but our earth is just like a volleyball. Okay, you just can't see volleyball from one side, right? It is having three-dimensional. Yes or no? Yes, the shape of our planet Earth is sphere. Is it clear now? Everyone, is it clear? Yes or no? Okay, fine then. Okay, now let us study. Okay, now who will tell me that how Earth was formed? Yeah, did someone come and they just kept the Earth here and went? Yes, how did Earth was formed? How Earth formed? Who will tell me about how Earth formed? Yes, yes, Abdul, can you tell me?
Ma'am, I think the earth was formed from,
Sorry.
ma'am, I think the earth was formed from some rocks,
Okay.
water.
Okay, fair enough. Fair enough. Yes, Darsh, can you tell me?
Ma'am, first the
Huh.
sun will be the first planet, ma'am. Once the sun is formed, there'll be bits of rocks everywhere around the sun. Then the
Okay.
bits of rocks will combine and then the planet will be formed.
Okay. Direct formation will be there. If two rocks will combine, planet will form
No, ma'am. There
directly.
are at least 50 or like 15 or like at least like 20-25 rocks should be combined to make a full planet.
Okay. Now, if I just take 25 rocks and combine, it will be a planet.
No, ma'am, like the asteroids.
Exactly. You should say that word. Okay. Otherwise, if you just say rocks, I'll also bring some rocks and I'll just combine. Yeah. I'll say that Darsh has told me. Definitely no, right? You should say that
Yes,
asteroids
ma'am.
or meteoroids. Okay. Exactly, very good. Yes. So, how our Earth was formed and what are the layers of Earth, we will study now. Okay. See here, as it was said, Earth was not formed directly. Okay. Like all the asteroids and meteoroids, that is a rocky substance and a gaseous substance which is present in the space, right? All these asteroids, they were fully rash. Okay. They just combined together, and when they combined, there was an explosion. Okay. There was an explosion, and of course, after explosion, it is like a bomb blast, right? It will be very hot. Yes or no? Like bomb blast and everything. If you have ever like played with crackers, yes or no? Like in crackers also, if you just put that atom bomb, it is like it produces a large amount of heat. It causes fire and everything, right? Yes or no? So our Earth also, first it was a hot ball. Okay, now Earth is very much fine. We can walk, we can dance and everything. But Earth, when it was formed, it was a hot ball, and then it took millions of years to cool down to form a crust layer or the layer of Earth, which is now cooler. Okay, so see here, Earth was like this. It was a hot fire ball only. Then after million of years, see here, it started to cool. Then water was present, air particles were there, and life started existing from now on. Is it clear? Is it clear? Yes. Okay, now I observe this. Okay, crust layer, I'm just telling the crust layer is cooler. Then what about inside the Earth, whether it is still hot, or what do you think? Earth has already completely formed and it is completely cool. What do you think? It is hot or it is cool inside? Yes. If it is the Earth, if I cut the Earth into half part and if I open it like this, so whether it is hot inside or cool? Of course, it is hot. Okay, I will tell you how it is. Yeah, but now answer this question for me first. Answer this question. What two planets are in between Sun and Earth? This is our Sun, our star, and this is our Earth. Okay, what are the two planets in between these two? We have learned that song also. So tell me which planets come in between Sun and the Earth. Tell me. And don't forget to call your parents after 5 minutes. Okay. We will study the layers of the Earth and we will start the PTA so that they can discuss what you're doing in the class. I will tell you what is your performance in the class, how much percentage you have got. Yes. And there is a surprise for you guys also. Last 10 seconds. Very good. Congratulations to the students who gave the correct answer. Very good. So what is the correct answer? Of course, the correct answer is Mercury, Venus. Right? In that song also, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Yeah. Earth is the third planet and Mercury is the first planet. Venus is the second planet. Is it clear? Yes? Okay now. So Earth is made up of 3 layers. Okay. You think that Earth is so simple. It is just blue planet. What is there in that? But Earth has lot inside. Okay. I will tell you 3 layers are there. Okay. Earth is made up of 3 layers. If you cut the Earth, you can see like 3 layers. Yeah. We do have different layered chocolates and all, right? So Earth is also like that only. It is having 3 layers. Okay. First upper layer is called as crust. We are standing on the crust layer only. So I am here, right? So this is Suru ma'am. I am standing on the upper layer, that is the crust. Okay. And middle layer is called as mantle and inner layer is called as core. Is it clear? The inside layer, if you go, this is called as core. In the core also, again, it is divided into 2 layers, inner core and the outer core. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay, now I know it is very difficult to remember the layers, right? But I have the solution for everything. So see here, this is the trick to remember, okay? How many of you have eaten this Kinder Joy chocolate? How many of you love to eat Kinder Joy? Tell me honestly, I love to eat, okay? Even though I'm a teacher, I'm still like a kid only. I do eat chocolates a lot. Okay, everyone loves to eat Kinder Joy, right? So let us compare the Earth's layer with this Kinder Joy chocolate, okay? I told that the upper layer of the Earth is called as crust, right? So upper layer of Kinder Joy chocolate, that cover, what is that, na? That you can compare with the Earth crust. Yes or no? Yes, the upper layer, the cover of the Kinder Joy, you can just compare with the Earth crust, which you can see outside. Yes. And if you go inside, if you just open the crust, what you can see? You can see that creamy chocolate. Yes or no? You can see that creamy, yummy chocolate. Yes, that you can compare to the mantle, that is the middle layer. And if you go inside, you can feel that chocolate crunchy ball, right? Crunchy chocolate ball. That is the inner layer of the Earth. That is the core. Is it clear? Yes? Yes or no? Yes, I hope now you remember, right? With Kinder Joy chocolate, crust, mantle and core. Okay, let us study together one by one. Very easy, okay? Very easy thing. We will study and we will start the PTM. Don't worry about that. First, we will study the inside layer, the hottest layer, okay? And there are 2 layers here, inner core and outer core, okay? Center of the Earth, which is made up of heavy metals. Why it is hot, you know? Like all the metals are present, especially if you go inside the Earth, you can find iron metal. Okay, iron metal is very hot, which is like boiling. Okay, it is still boiling. If you go inside, it is completely made up of heavy metals, especially the iron metals. And as I said, it is again divided into 2 layers, inner and outer core. Is it clear? Yes. Let me quickly ask one question. Here is the question for you guys. The inner core of the Earth is made up of which metal? Tell me. Just imagine that Kinder Joy, that crunchy ball. Try to answer. Very good. Very good, Bacha Party. Last 10 seconds. And yes, you can call your parents also, okay? We will start the PTM after learning about mantle and crust. Okay? Yes. Congratulations to the students who got the master tags. Very congratulations. So what is the correct answer? Of course, it is iron, okay? Earth inside, the core is completely made up of iron metals and other heavy metals also. Coming to the mantle, Mantle is the middle layer. I told you that chocolate thing, like milky, creamy chocolate, which is present in the Kinder Joy. We can compare it for mantle, right? It is made up of molten rocks and minerals and metals. Yeah, and 85% of the total weight of the earth. How to analyze this? If 100 kg is the weight of the earth, okay? Not 100 kg, earth is heavy. Just imagine, okay? 100 kg is the weight of earth. Among that 100 kg, 85 kg is completely given by the middle layer, that is the mantle. Is it clear? What do you mean by 85% of the total weight? Okay. Okay then. Find the last layer, that is our crust. What is the crust? The upper layer where we all are standing, right? We all are standing on the land. This layer is called as the crust layer, which is the coolest layer of the earth, okay? Which is the outer and the cooler layer. And here it is abundant in aluminium. Yeah, it is completely abundant in aluminium metal, okay? Is it clear now? Yes, is it clear about the 3 layers of the earth? Yes or no? Yes, check your leaderboard first. I'll give you the coins also. Yes, we will start the PTM. No worries. Okay, congratulations. I hope it is clear with the Kinder Joy trick, right? Yes. Okay, last one question I will ask. After that, let us start the PTM. Okay, here it is. Which among the following is the most abundant metal found in the Earth's crust? That means the outer layer. I'm asking about the outer layer, okay? So magnesium, aluminium, oxygen or iron? Tell me. And yes, you can call your parents now. I hope they are already here. They will also have some activity before starting parents-teacher meeting, okay? A fun activity.